spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya.
Rolling like a big shot, Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR.
Namaste. My name is K. Asmi of 5th Standard A section. In this model, I am going to explain about building with basement method. A basement is one or more floors of a building. Basements are often fitted, cut to a high standard and used as living space. Every house needs foundation building with basement, a right way to give a strong and stable house. Addition of like fraction. By using building with basement method, let us consider the first fraction 4 by 4. Here I have 4 rows and 4 basements. Then let us take the next fraction 3 by 4. Here I have 3 floors and 4 basements. Now I am going to add these 2 buildings. We take one common basement and because they both are same. Now I am going to add these 2 buildings together. Here I got the answer at 7 floors and 4 basements. Here the answer is 7 by 4. Thank you.
Together.